Here are 10 interesting facts from various fields. Bananas are berries. Botanically speaking, bananas qualify as berries, while strawberries do not. In botanical terms, a berry is a fruit produced from the ovary of a single flower with seeds embedded in the flesh. Bananas fit this definition perfectly. On the other hand, strawberries are considered aggregate fruits, formed from multiple ovaries of a single flower. Water can boil and freeze at the same time. This phenomenon, known as the triple point, occurs when temperature and pressure are just right. At the triple point, water exists simultaneously in all three states: solid, liquid, and gas. This unique condition happens at precisely 0.01 degrees Celsius and 611.657 pascals. Sharks have been around longer than trees. Sharks have existed for over 400 million years, predating the first trees by about 50 million years. While sharks roamed the ancient seas, the earliest trees began to appear around 350 million years ago, marking a significant evolution in Earth's history. A day on Venus is longer than a year. Venus takes 243 Earth days to rotate once on its axis, but only 225 Earth days to orbit the Sun. This means that a single day on Venus is longer than its year. Interestingly, Venus rotates in the opposite direction to most planets in the solar system, a phenomenon known as retrograde rotation. Octopuses have 3 hearts. 2 pump blood to the gills, while 1 pumps it to the rest of the body. The 2 branchial hearts are located near each of the octopus's gills and are responsible for oxygenating the blood. The systemic heart then circulates the oxygen-rich blood to the rest of the body, ensuring the octopus's organs and muscles receive the necessary oxygen to function efficiently. Honey never spoils. Archaeologists have found pots of honey in ancient tombs that are over 3,000 years old and still perfectly edible. This is due to honey's unique properties, such as its low moisture content and acidic pH, which create an inhospitable environment for bacteria and microorganisms. Human DNA is 60% similar to that of a banana. This is due to the shared basic cellular functions between all living organisms. Both humans and bananas have genes responsible for cell growth, repair, and replication. This genetic overlap highlights the common ancestry of all life on Earth. The Eiffel Tower can grow taller in summer. This happens because the iron expands when it heats up. As the temperature rises, the iron atoms vibrate more and take up more space, causing the tower to grow up to 6 inches, or 15 centimeters. Sloths can hold their breath longer than dolphins. By slowing their heart rate, sloths can stay underwater for up to 40 minutes. This adaptation helps them avoid predators and navigate their aquatic environments more efficiently. Wombat poop is cube-shaped. This unique shape helps prevent the feces from rolling away, which is important for marking territory. Wombats are nocturnal marsupials native to Australia. They have strong limbs and sharp claws for digging extensive burrows. Their cube-shaped poop is a result of their slow digestive process and the elasticity of their intestines. Here are some more mind-blowing facts you didn't know. Did you know that a group of flamingos is called a flamboyance? It's a fitting name for these vibrant social birds. And here's something unexpected. Sea otters hold hands while sleeping to keep from drifting apart. They even have a favorite rock they use to break open shellfish, which they keep in a special pouch under their arm. Lastly, let's dive into the world of plants. Bamboo can grow up to 35 inches in a single day, making it one of the fastest growing plants on Earth. Imagine waking up to find a bamboo stalk towering over you. Stay curious and remember, the world is full of incredible surprises. And now, for a fact that will take you back in time. Did you know that the shortest war in history was between Britain and Zanzibar? This brief conflict occurred on August 27, 1896, and incredibly, Zanzibar surrendered after just 38 minutes. It's hard to imagine a war being resolved in the time it takes to watch an episode of your favorite TV show. Yet, this historic event reminds us of how swiftly things can change. History is full of such fascinating moments, and there's always more to discover. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of our world. And now let's talk about the raw power of nature. Did you know that a single bolt of lightning contains enough energy to toast 100,000 slices of bread? Just imagine the sheer force packed into that brief, blinding flash. It's a vivid reminder of the incredible energy that exists all around us, often unnoticed until it strikes. Nature's power can be both awe-inspiring and humbling, so the next time you see a storm, remember the hidden potential in each lightning bolt. Keep marveling at the wonders of our world because there's always more to uncover. As we continue to explore the wonders of our world and beyond, here's a mind-boggling fact to ponder. There are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on all the Earth's beaches. Yes, you heard that right. When you think about the vast stretches of sandy shores worldwide, it's hard to fathom just how many grains of sand there are. Now, multiply that number many times over, and you might begin to grasp the sheer scale of our universe. Each star is a sun, and many of them have their own planets potentially harboring life. The cosmos is a vast, mysterious place, teeming with possibilities and wonders yet to be discovered. So the next time you find yourself on a beach, take a moment to look up at the night sky. Imagine all those stars, far beyond our reach, each one a beacon in the infinite expanse of space. The universe is a grand tapestry woven with countless stars, each playing its part in the cosmic story. Keep gazing, keep wondering, and remember there's always more to uncover. As we continue to uncover fascinating tidbits about our world, here's a fun fact that might surprise you. Did you know that a single strand of spaghetti is called a spaghetto? That's right. While we often refer to a plate full of pasta as spaghetti, each individual strand has its own unique name. The word spaghetto comes from the Italian language, where spaghetti is the plural form, and spaghetto is the singular. So the next time you're twirling a forkful of this delicious pasta, you can impress your friends with this quirky bit of trivia. It's a small but delightful reminder of the richness and complexity of language, even when it comes to something as simple as food. Bon appetit! As we continue our journey through the realm of fascinating facts, here's one that might leave you both amused and amazed. Did you know that the inventor of the Pringles can is now buried in one? Yes, you heard that right. Fred Bauer, the man who revolutionized the world of snack packaging with his ingenious cylindrical design, made a unique final request. When he passed away in 2008, he asked that his ashes be interred in one of his iconic creations. His family honored his wish, placing a portion of his remains in a Pringles can before burying it. It's a fitting tribute to a man whose invention has brought joy to snack lovers around the globe. So the next time you pop open a Pringles can, remember that its creator is now forever linked to his crunchy masterpiece. Just when you thought you'd heard it all, here's a cosmic twist that will leave you pondering the mysteries of our solar system. On Mercury, the smallest planet closest to the Sun, time behaves in a truly bizarre way. A single day on Mercury, defined by one full rotation on its axis, is twice as long as its year, which is the time it takes to orbit the Sun. This means that if you were to stand on Mercury, you would experience one incredibly long day, followed by an equally extensive night before a complete year had even passed. This peculiar relationship between Mercury's rotation and orbit creates a planetary rhythm that's utterly unique in our solar system. So, next time you gaze at the night sky, take a moment to appreciate the strange yet fascinating dance of the planets around the Sun. Prepare to be amazed by the incredible resilience of the human body. In a truly astonishing medical feat, the longest time between the births of twins is a staggering 87 days. This remarkable case occurred when the first twin was born prematurely, and doctors were able to delay the birth of the second twin for nearly 3 months, allowing the second baby crucial extra time to develop. This extraordinary event showcases the advancements in medical science and the incredible strength of both the babies and their mother. It's a testament to human perseverance and the miracles that can happen when hope and science come together. So the next time you hear about twins, remember this incredible story of patience, determination, and medical marvel. Now let's dive into another fascinating fact. Did you know that the world's deepest postbox is located in Susami Bay in Japan? This unique postbox is situated a remarkable 10 meters underwater. Originally installed as a part of a tourist attraction, it has now become a popular spot for diving enthusiasts and curious visitors alike. Divers can write waterproof postcards and send them from this submerged postbox, adding a touch of adventure to their messages. Next time you're in Japan and looking for an extraordinary experience, consider sending a postcard from the depths of the ocean. And now for another incredible fact. Did you know that the shortest commercial flight in the world is in Scotland? This fascinating journey takes you from Westray to Papa Westray in the Orkney Islands. The flight lasts just 1 minute and 14 seconds, covering a distance of only 1.7 miles. It's so brief that passengers barely have time to enjoy the view before it's time to land. This unique flight is not only a vital link for the local community, but also a quirky experience for aviation enthusiasts. So, if you ever find yourself in Scotland, why not take a quick hop on the world's shortest commercial flight?